Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant shares important updates. CM Sawant spoke to Union Home Minister Amit Shah in regards to impact and devastation caused by TAUKTAE cyclone. CM took to social media and said the following. Spoke to Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji regarding the impact and devastation caused by TAUKTAE cyclone in the state of Goa. Honorable Home Minister inquired about the widespread damage caused by the cyclone in the state and assured full support of all central agencies to the state for returning to normalcy. We will provide all necessary assistance to Goans impacted by the cyclone, CM Dr. Pramod Sawant posted. CM Sawant also held video conference meeting to review the TAUKTAE cyclone impact in Goa. He issued directions to all the state government departments to work on war footing to restore essential services and also assess the damage in detail. CM also informed about the intra-circle roaming facility which has now been activated across Goa. CM took to social media and said the following. People in Goa have been facing mobile network connectivity issues due to disruption caused by TAUKTAE cyclone. Inter-circle roaming facility has now been activated across Goa. You can switch over to any network which is available in your area through the manual settings of your device. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant also congratulated DRDO team who have developed the 2DG anti-COVID-19 drug in collaboration with Dr. Reddy's laboratories. CM also briefed media on 17 May 2021 and said that he has instructed officials to clear national highways, restore power to hospitals and pharmaceuticals companies, and also said that power to villages will be restored by 18th May.
आज हायवेज सगळे क्लियर जातले पण पावर रिस्टोर पुराय गावागावांनी जावपाक फाल्यांचो दीस लागतलो. फाल्यां पर्यंत पावर रिस्टोर जावपाक शकता. उदकाचे आमकां अजून एक दीस सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी थोडोसो कळ सोंसची जेणे करून पावर आनी उदक हे आयच्या दिसा पुरते थोडेशें एक वेळ कमी वापरचे तांकां परत एकदां रिस्टोर जाता म्हणून आसत. त्या खातीर कोणीच म्हणजे घेराव घालपाक खंयसर पॉलिटिकल मायलेज हेजी घेवची न्ही. थोड्या जाणांक पॉलिटिकल मायलेज प्रत्येक गोष्टीची घेवपाची गोंयांत संवय जाल्ली आसा. रोखडेच उठून थोडेशे पॉलिटिकल लिडर जे आसा तेय बी आनी थोड्यांक नवीन तयार जावपाक जाय पळय न्ही रे ते घेराव घालपाक पावर डिपार्टमेंटाचेर आमच्या वॉटर सप्लाय डिपार्टमेंटाचेर PWD डिपार्टमेंटाचेर घेराव घालपाक वयता. म्हाजो तांकां सल्लो आहा की अशा अनड्यू एडवांटेज जी आसा ती घेवची न्ही. डेफिनेटली आमी सरकाराच्या वतींतल्यान हे सगळे 2 दिसाच्या भितर रिस्टोर करपाचो प्रयत्न चल्ला.
Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.